and for more, and the more we try to develop it, I'll always show. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. I'm just showing you my area today again. Yeah, just taking a walk within my area. So for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, this is the other part of our farm, as you can just see from the fruits. So then the road is so busy. Yeah, so as I was saying, for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And guys, as I've always been saying, don't forget to comment. Don't leave this video without commenting or liking, because it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. It helps my YouTube channel to grow. So I would like for you guys to continue with your support. You know, we need this channel to get monetized. Yeah, we want this channel to get monetized so that it can help us in different kind of certain expenses, things like that, so it can help us reach different kind of places in Zambia, not just Lusaka, but different kind of places. So, but as for now, I really appreciate the support that you guys always give me, that always show us on this channel. We really appreciate it so much. I love your energy, the comments that you always leave. Thank you so much for your love, guys. Right now, just taking a walk. I'm on the other side, yeah. That is the farm where I stay. You can just see from the fruits. That's the other side. Yeah, so on this other side, I'm gonna show you a piece of land. Another piece of land, our land. Yeah. So we want to develop this piece of land. There's some developments that are going on, but I'll actually not tell you what exactly is going to be done. Yeah. I'm scared of the trucks. Yeah, like I was saying, I won't mention to you now, but all I want for you guys is just to stay glued to the channel, keep on watching, keep on supporting till you see, and keep on following the development that I'm going to be showing you on this land until the time comes for you guys to see what is being developed on this piece of land that I'm going to show you today. Yeah. It's a sunny day today. It's sunny. It is a sunny day. It's just along the road. But we need some cleaning. But as for now, we are cleaning it. We're cleaning the piece of land. We're cleaning the piece of land. So I'll show you guys. How we are cleaning that piece of land. This road is just too busy. So for now, I'm just gonna take you at the piece of the land where it is, so I can show you how we are cleaning it, how we're cutting out some trees. Yeah, so this is it. I have to cross from here. I just have to cross from here. So guys, this is a piece of land that I was talking about. As you can see, the boundaries, the wire there, the game wire that we have put upon this place. So this third road passed through our farm. It had to demarcate the bigger piece, and this is a smaller piece that is remaining. Yeah, so we want to take an opportunity to develop this place. So guys, if you want to see how this place is gonna be developed, just keep on following the channel, keep on watching the videos. As you can see, this is a curtain. This is how they've cutted some trees. These trees are being cut out because they're not useful. So we also have some fruits. Yeah, we have mangoes again from the other side of this land. We've also got guavas. We also got some Mexican apples and lemons as well. So this is how it has been. It was really a mess because last time this place was we used it for farming. We did plant some maize, so now it's, as you can see, it's some maize stock that has been gathered in heaps, so that we can just when the sun goes down, just think of burning the grass. So this is how it's being cleaned. All the grass, all the maize stalks have just been put in heaps so that it can be burned later on in the evening. We have some mango trees. So all of these trees are gonna be cut. Yeah, like they're being cut. So all these trees that are along the wire, the game wire, are gonna be trimmed. Others are gonna be cut. All this has to be cleaned out. As you can see, the grass has been put in, it has been arranged in a way whereby it will be easy to burn and not causing too much flames of fire. So there's a mango tree, and mangoes are getting ripe each and every day. We have some mangoes. As you can see, some mangoes have just been plucked and they've just been put down. We're going to collect them when we're done with what we're doing here, because like I've said, we're still cleaning the place. Lemon trees here. We also used to have a windmill. Yeah, this is an old windmill that we used a long time ago. This is a demarcation of this land where there's a game wire. Also have sisal. Just to know the demarcation of land. So all of these guys that you've seen is gonna be burnt, or the place is gonna be cleared than this. And you see, yeah, some development will come on. Yeah, so all we need is just for you guys to stay glued onto the channel and see how we're gonna develop this land. Otherwise, the land is quite big, yeah, and we have a small house here where we have the helper looking after this land. So all these have been hipped, yeah, gonna be burnt. All these plastics, grass, maize stalks, whatever, everything is gonna be burnt so that you can just leave the plain ground. All these are just hips from the trees that were trimmed. And the trees that were just trimmed. Yeah. As you can see, this land is quite big. Huh? So a lot is to be done. We need to plant some flowers, more fruits. Just want to beautify this land. And the beauty part of it is just along the road. That's what more I like about this. Just along the road. I know for now it really looks a mess. It really looks a mess, but as I can see, it's much better than it was. Yeah, because at least we've managed to gather up some heaps of grass for them to be burnt. There's so much work here. A lot has to be done. A lot has to be done. The trenches are just as dirty. Just so dirty, whereby they have to be cleaned from the outside. As we clean from here, then we end cleaning the outside. Then I'm sure it can be much better. As you can see, all these plastics. Just can't wait to burn everything down. So guys, like I told you earlier that we're gonna burn these. So all this heat grass is being burnt because it's late in the evening now. Yeah, we have to burn these in the evening because of the cars that are passing. So it's much better if we're burning them while it's getting cold, because it's cold now. I'm on to put on my jersey. Something wrong. Yeah. So guys, this is how it's going. When everything is burnt, I think the place will be much clearer. It's gonna be looking nice and clean. So we're gonna burn all the heaped grass. Yeah, all of this is gonna get burnt. All this is gonna get burnt. Yeah. As for now, this is how it's going. So far it's going. Soon or later, gonna show you how clean the place looks like. And for more, and the more we try to develop it, I'll always show you guys. Yeah, since we've started this together, and we're gonna end this together. Yeah. So guys, this is what I had for you from the place that we're developing, how we're cleaning it, how we're starting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Always keep on supporting me, guys. I really appreciate the support that you show me, and keep on watching till we develop this place, and your support will be highly appreciated. Otherwise, from me and the Judges I'm Like YouTube channel, this is what we have for you today, showing you how we're developing this piece of land. All right, bye bye, till next time.